out there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy, and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today is a Stitch Fix and a Stitch Fix freestyle day. Alright, so welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you will consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends and hitting the notification bell. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a style subscription box that you fill out a style profile, you pay a $20 styling fee, they style items for you, they send you a preview, you choose from the preview any items that you want in your box. If you only choose a couple, then they will fill the box with up to 5 items for you. The items are curated for you, and then you send back, you keep what you want, the $20 goes towards anything you wish to keep, and then you send back anything that you don't want in a pre-addressed mailer. So let's dig into my box. And if you have questions about Stitch Fix or you're interested in trying it for the first time, please put your questions down there in the comments. Let me know, and I will do my best to answer any questions you might have. And then there is also a referral link down below. That can range anywhere from a $25 credit to a $50 credit. So if you're interested in trying it, please be sure to check out the referral link. So here is your return mailer. Then you always have a little envelope here. This is going to have your invoice. If you keep all 5 of your items, there is a 25% off discount. So that is always nice. So I'm going to set this over here. I don't want to look at the prices just yet. I will look at those in a little bit. And then you have an oh hello. This is going to be your stylist note as well as your style suggestions. This is suggestions on how to style your items that are in your box. All right, let's dig in and see what's in the bundle. All right, so first we have this really pretty crochet and lace. How pretty is that? Top in a peachy collar with a V-neck. I love those pretty little details. Look how pretty that is. All right, I like that. And then we have a cute little skirt. This is, I remember picking this one from the preview. So pretty little skirt. You guys know how I feel about skirts, but I thought this one was super cute and I thought it might be flattering on me. So it does have a little bit of a ruffle here on the bottom and some smocking there at the waist. I thought the print was really pretty. And then we have, I don't remember, this mustard color dress with a very pretty floral print, and it does have a bow here on the front and a scalloped edge around the arms. Very cute. And here we have another skirt, very casual skirt, elastic waistband, drawstring, just pockets, just it feels like a very soft cotton, and it is a skirt, not a skirt. And finally, we have a pair of black Vigoss jean shorts. I'm excited about these. I'm excited about all of it. It all looks pretty good. All right, let's get busy. Oh, I forgot the freestyle. So I found these sandals on Stitch Fix. Again, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, they have on their website and on the app, you can go to what's called Freestyle, and they've curated items for you that you can purchase right on the website. And they also now have sale items. So I actually got these on the sale for like, I don't know, $26 or something like that, which is really good compared to most of their sandals. All right, so the great thing about Freestyle too, if you get an item and you want to send it back, you can send it back in the packaging that it came in. They will send you a prepaid label, and then, or you can send it back in the bag that comes with your Stitch Fix. So they make it very convenient, and shipping is always free, so that's nice. All right, so here are these cute little cognac collared wedge sandals, which I will be trying on with these items because they will look really cute. I hope they work. These were like 26 bucks. They were originally like I don't know. I don't know what they originally were. I don't know why I even said that. Okay, so let's get trying stuff on. Okay, here we are with our first outfit. So we have the peach collar top. It is a sleeveless, has this beautiful detail here. It's got some crochet here and then some lace up here. It has that split neck style. Very pretty, very soft, very comfortable. I feel like the fit is very good. Under the arms is good. It covers the bra. Now, of course, if you get closer, you will be able to see the bra strap. I am wearing a nude bra, but I don't see that that's a problem. So I really like this. I'm not sure if I like it with the skirt. I think it looks good. I'm not sure about how to style it. Do I do the front tuck here and leave the back out? Does that just look sloppy? Do we tuck the whole thing in? Because I'm not sure I liked how that looked either. I struggle with skirts. I don't know why. I just do. So there's what it looks like tucked in. Maybe with a jean jacket. That would look cute too. And then here's what it looks like out. So that just isn't going to work. So it would have to be in or the front tuck. So let's just front tuck for now. And I'll turn around so you can see the back. You have those pretty details on the back too. So what do you guys think? What do you think of this one? And what do you think of the skirt? The skirt's kind of fun, isn't it? It's got a very pretty print to it. It's got peaches and blues and pinks in there. It hits right above the knee. It is very flowy and a lot of fun. I think it is a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. Like I said before, it is smocked here, so it's very, very comfortable. I feel like the length is really good. I don't know, I kind of like it. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if I like it with this top, so I might have to like pull out a t-shirt or something and see if I would like it better with something more like just a plain tee. I mean, I don't feel like this is too much with the floral, but I'm not sure that I'm loving this fabric. Maybe that's what it is. This fabric and how it's laying with the skirt. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see the details up here. Okay, so you can see very pretty crochet stitching there and some lace up here. Very pretty together. I will say this is, now that I'm looking at it, it's a little bit snug and tight underneath the arms, but it's not uncomfortably so. But I can feel it there. So let me know what you guys think. All right, let's talk about the shoes. All right, so these are by Mia. They are just a very cute cognac collared wedge. Very simple. There is a little bit of padding to them, giving you a little bit of support. I really like these. I think they are really cute. They are very comfortable. I think I would get a lot of use out of these. So these I think I'm going to keep. All right, let's try on the dress. All right, next outfit. Look how cute this is. I think it's adorable. All right, so we have this mustard yellow dress with white floral scalloped edge here on the arms. I just tucked my bra in, my straps in. So you would need a strapless bra with this, which I'm not opposed to. You do have a cute little bow right here. This is not a wrap by any means. It is just a slip-on. You have a keyhole in the back, and then you have this pretty little hemline there at the bottom. Not sure if you can see that. I'll pan down so you can see that in just a minute. And it comes right at or below the knee. I think I like this one. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to come a little closer so you can see the scallop and the print. All right, so you can see the pretty scallops there go all the way around. They go all the way around the back as well. Under the arm, the bra is covered. And like I said, you just have a keyhole there in the back. Okay. Let's see what's next. Okay, next up we have this little casual skirt. So I feel like the fit is very nice. I feel like it's flattering on me. This is a working drawstring. I'm just not sure how often I would pull for this. I mean, it's very casual. You would wear it with tennis shoes or flip-flops or, you know, something like that. I'm not even sure if pairing it with this white t-shirt is a good pairing. I don't know. My instinct was to go towards a black t-shirt, but I don't have just a black t-shirt, so I went with white to keep it casual. So I don't know. I like this. I think it's cute. I just don't know how often I would pull for it. It hits right above the knee. It does have pockets. It is an actual skirt, not a skirt. This is all good. I mean, it's very comfortable. I mean, it was a good choice for her to choose for me. All right, let's see what we have next. All right, so lastly, we have the Vigoss jean shorts. I like them. So they're just a traditional 5-pocket, grayish, I don't know, what is it called? Black, faded, I don't know. Anyway, they are cuffed here. They're attached there on the edge of the cuff. They are a good length for me. They're very comfortable. There's not a whole lot of stretch, but there's enough to make them comfortable. There's not any sagging or anything. So these might be keepers too. My husband's gonna kill me. I just kept two items from my last dia, and now I might be keeping a few items from this too. I told him he needs to put me on a budget. All right, so let me know what you guys think about these. Let's do the wrap. All right, let's talk about prices. So first we have the Vigoss jean shorts. These are $48. Not a bad price. I like Vigoss. I like that I have several Vigoss jean shorts, and I want to say I have one pair of jeans by Vigoss. They hold up fine, and the price is very reasonable. So then we have this top. Wow, it's by Papermoon. It is only $38. I'm really surprised by that with how much detailing and stuff you have in that top. I like this, but I did not really love it. I like all those cute little details. I think those are fun and unique, but I don't know that I'd get a whole lot of wear out of it. All right, another fun piece. I do like this, but I don't know if I love it. This is $48. I love the print. I love the collars. I love the ruffles. It's tiered. I don't know. See, this is one of those items that I just don't know what to put with it. I feel like when you have something flowy on the bottom, you need something more fitted on the top. And I don't really have anything that's fitted that I feel comfortable in that I would wear with it. And I feel like, I mean, I think you could wear multiple colors with it, but it's not real, I don't know. I just don't know that I'd pull for it, although it's very pretty. So if you like skirts, that's a pretty one. And it's very comfortable. All right, then we have the pretty dress. I did really like this one. I thought the fit was very nice. It is $54, which is about the price I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to try this on again, make sure that it all fits good, check the footage, see how I look from the back. You know how that goes. And then we have, where's the other skirt? Oh, I left it in my room. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Lastly, with this skirt here, it is by Market and Spruce, and it is $48. So I think this is going to be a no. I just don't think I would pull for that one very often. It is very comfortable. The fit is very nice. I'm just not sure that it's me. So the two items I'm considering are the shorts, the jean shorts, and the dress. So let me know what you guys think. I love hearing your all's feedback and your all's ideas on how to style things. I will see you next time with the next video. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.